Hello?
Hello. Oh, hi. Good morning.
Yes, hi, good morning.
How are you doing today?
Well, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Okay, that's good. A little chilly, as you can see. I'm wearing my hoodie, but
Chilly. Is
yeah,
it
it's
is
very cold.
isn't it summer?
Yeah, that's a weird part. It's summer, but right now it's 16 Celsius. It's not that cold. The problem
Oh.
is that it's 98% humid.
I heard now there is a typhoon in the Philippines.
Actually, there's three typhoons, right?
Uh,
Which makes it very interesting. And because of the
mhm,
typhoon, we had a lot of landslides because of the
mhm,
wet weather.
mhm,
So I really cannot go out at the moment, right? Plus the
mm.
coronavirus pandemic is really bad.
Uh,
But
mhm.
anyway, um, I believe this is our first class,
Yes,
right?
this is the first class.
Okay, so Kineas, what do you want to do in our class today?
Well, let's continue with
Where
book.
should we continue?
Well, it this is time we start lesson 12.
Lesson 12. Senior Orange 3, right?
Yes, in your registry, lesson
Oh,
12.
okay. That's good. By the way, how should I call you? Do you have like an
Ah,
English name that
yeah,
I can
yes.
use?
Yes, please call me Anna.
Anna. Oh, wow. Nice name. Okay, so for now, let's continue to being pulled over. What does it mean?
Being pulled over. Mm, well, as I know, it's
Mhm.
in this situation, usually a car
Mhm.
being pulled over. Stopped for stop the car.
Okay. Something like that. Okay, but when we say pulled over, it means that a police is tailing your car and you
Mm-hmm.
have to pull over to the side.
Mm,
Okay, that's why we say it as full over because you're being forced to stay on the side.
mm,
Okay.
I
Have
see.
you ever been caught by the police, maybe speeding or something like that?
No, luckily, I don't have the experience.
Okay, that's good. So anyway, we have the police and Mark. Who would you like to be?
Mm, police?
You're gonna be the police. Okay, can you start?
Okay. Can I see your driver's license, please?
Oh yeah, here.
Have you been drink tonight, Mr. Boyd?
I had one or two drinks. I'm okay to drive though. I know my limit.
It seems you are unaware of our state's zero tolerance for drinking and driving.
I'm not drunk. I blew into a breathalyzer.
In this state, anyone 21 and younger cannot operate a vehicle after consuming any alcohol. Did you know that?
Oh, I didn't know that.
You were also going over the speed limit, Mr. Boyd. I'm going to have to ask you to step out of your vehicle and get into my car.
This is crazy. But what about my car?
We'll have the car towed to the police station.
Okay, can I ask? In this part here,
Mhm.
why did the police say in this state? Why did they say in this state?
Well, I think he is 21 or younger than
Mm-hmm.
21. Yes.
But why
So,
did the police say in this state?
well, because he is 20 or younger, and then maybe he drink just one or two drinks. Maybe he's not drunk.
Mm-hmm.
So the police want to tell him, well, he's not drunk, but he's 21 or younger, and uh, with this law, or yeah, anything with this law, he is his driving is not allowed. So maybe police
Mm-hmm.
wanted to told them on it. Yeah.
Okay, you're semi-correct. Okay, basically, on that state, anyone 21 or younger, as long as you drank alcohol, you're not allowed to drive.
Mm-hmm.
But in the US, that this is the weird part. In the US,
Uh-huh.
every state has a different law.
Yeah, yeah, I know. Yes.
Right? In most countries, you can drive as long as your alcohol level is below 0.70.
Oh, how do you know that?
Because I studied a bit of law when I was bored.
Ah.
So most of the time, if your alcohol level is below 0.70, you're allowed to
Mm-hmm.
drive in most
That's
states. But in
interesting.
some
Most
state,
states. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in some state, you as long as you drank one beer or you have a glass of wine, you're not allowed to drive anymore.
Mm,
Okay.
well, in Korea, we
Mm-hmm.
we we told, yeah. I I don't know the exact law, but we
Mm-hmm.
say just if you drink just one if you even if you drink just one drink, yeah, don't
Mm-hmm.
drive. Well,
Ah, you're not
we
allowed to
say like that.
drive.
Yes.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Ah, that's really nice. I mean, drunk driving is very serious problem. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay, but for now, let's go here. What do we mean when we say I know my limit?
I know my limit. I know my speed limit.
Not speed limit.
Sorry?
It's not the speed limit.
It's not a speed limit.
Okay.
I see,
No.
I see. He knows how
Mm-hmm.
he said I'm not drunk. So
Mm-hmm.
it means maybe he he knows what can I say?
Knows.
He knows his his limits.
It's actually, yeah.
Yeah,
When
actually.
we say I know my limits. I know when I'm not drunk. I know when I'm drunk. Right? I know
Mm-hmm.
when I had too much.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay. So next, what do we mean when we say unaware?
Unaware. Well,
Mm-hmm.
you don't know. It seems like you don't know yeah, our
Okay.
state's zero
Loss
tolerance. Yes.
or something like that. But most of the
Mm-hmm.
time when we say unaware, this is ignorance. You're ignorant of the law. Okay.
Ignorance. Ignore?
Yeah, ignorant.
Ignorant.
Ignorant, which means you have no idea
Mm-hmm.
about
Mm-hmm.
something.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what is zero tolerance?
Zero tolerance. Uh well, there's no mercy.
No mercy. Okay.
No mercy.
Or you can
If
say
you do
no
that, yeah.
exemptions.
Uh-huh.
No
Yeah.
exemptions.
No exceptions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like for example, are you married?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Like for example, let's imagine you have a boyfriend,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and then your boyfriend cheated on you with another girl,
Mm.
and then
Mm.
you cut him off. Bye bye.
Yeah, of course.
Right?
Yeah, zero
Zero
tolerance.
tolerance. Yes. Okay,
Yes.
good.
Uh-huh.
Next, what is breathalyzer?
Breathalyzer. Well, this
Hmm.
is a kind of um, facility. Well,
Not facility. It's actually like a
not
small
actually.
object.
Yes, yeah, small
Mhm.
object that uh, it uh, it know. Uh, Using this breathalyzer, we can know the 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 alcohol in his
Mhm.
breath.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, but in here we notice operate a vehicle instead of driving a vehicle. Why
Yeah.
did we say operate?
Well, because he want to explain all kinds of vehicle, not only car.
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Okay, because in the U.S., technically a lawnmower. You've seen a lawnmower where you can drive
Lawn, sorry, what?
a lawn
Lawn,
mower.
lawn.
The It's like a small vehicle that cuts grass.
Ah, oh,
Right?
okay.
Technically, it's not a vehicle in the
Uh-huh,
U.S.
uh-huh.
It's like yeah, it's just a machine,
Yes,
but you can
yes.
still drive it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, right.
So
So,
technically, it's not a vehicle. So you say
ah,
operate,
uh-huh. Okay.
which means operate any kinds of vehicle you can ride.
Uh-huh.
It's
Yeah.
more
Okay.
general.
Ah, I see.
Right?
Well,
Okay.
in this sentence, the
Mm-hmm.
is it also
Bicycle is
include
also included.
is
Yes, you cannot operate them because you're not driving a bicycle,
mm-hmm,
right? Even a motorcycle is
mm-hmm,
included.
yes.
Skateboards, anything with
Yes.
wheels, basically.
Skateboard. Oh,
Yeah, even skateboard
see.
because there's an electric skateboard in the US. It goes
Mm,
as fast as high as 60 kilometers per hour. It's very
very
dangerous.
fast. Yes, very fast and very
Right.
complex. Seems very dangerous.
Okay, but last one before we end the
Mhm.
class. What do we mean when we say step out of your vehicle?
Get out.
Get out. Yeah. Yeah. So sometimes when you're watching maybe a drama, you hear people saying, just step out of the vehicle. Step out. Get out.
Yeah, step out.
Right? They're all the same meaning.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. But nowadays we don't really say step out or get out. We say F off. You know the bad word, the F and then
F
off.
F oh
Yeah, the bad word, the F word.
F word. Well,
Mm-hmm.
foot.
Especially, yeah, that one. Yeah, we normally especially when you're angry, we don't say step out, get out. We say this
Mm-hmm.
word, right? So for younger generation, this is very common, especially in the US.
Really? Fire?
Yeah. This one,
Ah,
right? They
ah,
just say this, even to elders, which is really bad.
well, there's slang.
Right? Mm-hmm. Anyway, for now, we're already out of time, so you're gonna
Yeah.
continue to letter B next class. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. How many classes do you have today?
Well, I have two more classes.
More. Okay. Well, anyway, I just hope you take some break after, and it's
Yes.
nice meeting you again.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.